So if you are preparing for iOS developer interview, and so protocol is the most commonly asked question. In this video we'll cover what is protocol, what is the use of it, what is the syntax, properties, method, inheritance, extension, patterns, so on. So we it will help to real world integration. So here, what is a protocol? So if we talk about the definition, a protocol is a blueprint of methods, properties, and other requirements that suits a particular task. A protocol do not implement functionality, they only define requirements, classes, structures, and enums that adopt the protocol must implement those requirements. So let's take example how we can create a protocol inside this Swift. So protocol, just to take a syntax protocol animal and write a function, normal function, just like we are writing. And now any class which adopting this animal must be implement this make sound. So we can take an example, we can create a class dog which confirm this animal protocol. Now we have to be write this make sound inside the dog class, and we are writing this print bark statement. Then we can check the uses of it, how it will use. So we can create a object of this dog class and call this make sound function that will produce a bark print statement. So this is the basic example how protocol look like. Now we can check how protocol are used. So protocol are helps to achieve lot of things, just like loose coupling, objects depend on abstraction, not concentrate class, code reusability, testability, flexible architecture. Protocols are mainly used in architectures like MVC, MVVM, Viper, clean architecture, and so on. If you are liking this video, please like this video and subscribe this video. It will motivate us to create more content like this. Thank you. Now we are checking the how protocol properties are used. So inside the protocol we can access the properties. So we can check example protocol person. Here we can declare a property name which is a string, and here we can apply get set. So get is only a read only property and get set is a read and write property. So we can check out the implementation, give the example of implementation. Now we are checking the shift implementation, just like before I have explained how the protocol implementation has been look like. Is another example is a protocol payment protocol, and credit class is confirming the payment protocol. So this is the example of Swift protocol which print. And now we are checking the mutating methods in protocol. So we are struck in a modify its property, we can use a mutating keyword before the function. So increment is a mutating function. So here you can check the struct step counter is confirming the counter protocol, and mutating function increment is mutating the count. Now protocol initializer requirement. This is example of protocol initializer. Here we have a protocol vehicle name, and car is a class which confirming this protocol, and name. Now in the name required keyword is required for initializing this is the example how the string input Tesla and creates the instance. And this is example of protocol initializer requirement. Now move on to our next topic, which will be so this protocol inheritance. So you can see a protocol in confirming the other protocol and creating a hierarchy. So here we can take an example, living being is a protocol and animal is confirming the living being. Now dog is confirming the animal protocol which have both the function access, breathe and eat. So this is the classic example of inheritance. So you can check out the other example as well. Here is a very basic example. Now we can check the protocol as a type. How protocol is a type. So we are creating the animal protocol, and inside that we are passing as a type inside the start animal function. And when we are confirming the dog animal protocol, how we are using it. So you can check out the protocol as a type example. Now we are moving our next topic, which is protocol composition. Protocol composition is nothing but combining a multiple protocol into single protocol. So this is the example. You can check out the syntax. Flyable and swimmable is the protocol, and in the perform action we are combining the protocol flyable and swimmable. You can check out the example. Now we can move out our next topic, which is calling a protocol extension. This is very important. You can check out the protocol greeting, where is creating a function say hello, and we are creating the extension of greeting. Now when we are confirming the greeting protocol inside the person, now we don't have to be write greeting function inside the person, and we can still access the say hello function. So this is the very most asked question. Now we can check out the protocol oriented programming, which is like the alternative of oops. So here we have a protocol walkable, and we are creating the extension of walkable protocol. Now human and dog we have a struct, and inside that we can call it out the function walk. So in the both struct we can use out the walkable protocol. So this is example of protocol oriented programming. Now we have a delegation pattern, which is protocol having a login delegate, and we have created a function. Inside that we have create a login delegate, and now we have a home screen confirming the protocol did login successfully. So you can check out the example, which is very useful delegation pattern and very commonly used function of the protocol. You can check out the syntax by pausing this video. And now we are checking out the difference between protocol and classes. So you can check out the basic difference is a blueprint and implementation, single inheritance, multiple confirmation. So these are the basic difference, and it's a very small video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video to help us to create a more video. Thank you so much.